Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M14 5G smartphone. In this video you will learn how to use side button to open Samsung Wallet, that is Samsung Wallet quick access in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. First of all, go to the side button. This is side button. If you double press it, calculator is opened. So your phone is set to open any app, desired app. Here calculator is set. If you want to open Samsung Wallet through side button, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to advanced features, and go to side button, and you have to keep in the second option Samsung Wallet quick access. So double pressing the side button will now open Samsung Wallet. See here, I show the demo. See here, Samsung Wallet is open. So in this way you can easily access Samsung Wallet through side button by double pressing it in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.